Have you been craving a meal that is bursting with flavor, but won't derail your health goals? Get ready to transform your dinner game with our mouth-watering 5-spice turkey lettuce wraps. These handheld delights are not just delicious, but they're packed with lean protein, fresh veggies, and will keep you energized and satisfied all day long. Welcome back to your longevity channel. I'm Dr. Jonette, your longevity expert. Stay tuned and watch all the way to the end to learn how to whip up these easy and nutritious meals. So let's get cooking. To get started, we're going to be adding some sesame oil, about a tablespoon, to the bottom of our frying pan, and also some chopped garlic. That was 2 cloves of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. We're gonna stir this around until we get a little bit of I need a little bit of more sesame oil here. Nice amount of fragrance off of it. The smell of fresh garlic, fresh ginger sauteing is so fabulous. I'm already hungry for this dish. Now that that's nice and fragrant, I'm gonna add a pound of ground turkey. I chose ground turkey because it's healthier for you than ground or chopped meat. However, this recipe is very easily adapted for a vegan recipe as well. If you're vegan or vegetarian, instead of this pound of turkey, what you would want to add is a block of tofu and 8 ounces of finely diced mushrooms. We're gonna chop this up a little bit better as we're cooking it. If you go to my website at growwithdrjonette.com, you will see this recipe. When you open up the recipe, there in the recipe is the precise instructions for how you can make this a vegetarian lettuce wraps instead of using the turkey. Or you could also substitute, if you prefer, ground chopped meat for the turkey as well. So today's simple and smart tip is use a healthier alternative to your chopped meat. Use ground turkey or tofu and mushroom. All of them will make a delicious lettuce wrap. While this is cooking, let's talk about why ginger is part of a healthy longevity diet. This zesty root not only will add a delicious and delightful kick to your meals, it also packs a great punch of nutrition when it comes to boosting your overall health. There was an article published in 2019. It was a review article on all of the research looking at the health and longevity benefits of ginger. This article is published in the Food, Science, and Nutrition. If you scroll down below, you will see a link to this article. They reviewed all the benefits of ginger and concluded that it's rich in antioxidants, high in anti-inflammatory compounds. Ginger has also been shown to support your gut and digestive health. It reduces muscle pain and may even help manage your blood sugar levels. It may also enhance your brain function and help protect you against all that age-related cognitive decline that we're hearing so much about these days. The research also showed that ginger is an important part of your quest for a vibrant, long life. When you incorporate ginger into your daily routine, whether it's in savory dishes like these lettuce wraps, or in teas or smoothies, you are giving your body a natural defense against the effects of aging. So why not spice up your life and your longevity with this powerful and flavorful root of ginger? Our turkey is getting nicely browned here. Want to just chop it up a little bit more. We are now ready to add our additional seasonings. We're adding a teaspoon of the 5-spice powder, and I want to stir that in and let it cook in just a little bit. Also, I'm going to stir in the umami powder. I turned the burner down to low here to let this cook in a little bit more, a little bit better. I'm going to get it all nicely distributed here. You could also add your umami powder and 5-spice powder when you add your turkey. It just depends how well or how thoroughly you want that turkey seasoning. I like it kind of ending up on the outside of the turkey. I think it adds more flavor, but if you want to mix it into your turkey or your beef or your tofu, that works just as well. Once that's all browned up, that takes usually about 5, maybe 7 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients here. We're adding a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 medium chopped red bell pepper, a half a cup of water chestnuts. And now I'm going to turn the heat back up to about medium, and we're going to let that cook for about 3-4 minutes, just until the vegetables are just ready to get slightly tender and softened. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't miss out on more healthy, flavor-packed dishes that will revolutionize your kitchen and boost your well-being. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of food lovers who are passionate about eating delicious and nutritious meals. This has been cooking about probably 3-4 minutes now, and the veggies are just starting to get nice and tender. So I'm going to take it off of the heat, and we'll remove our induction burner here. And we are almost ready to fill our delicious lettuce wraps. I have here a head of organic hydroponic Boston lettuce that is going to make amazing wraps for us. And I want to stir in a few onions, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of finely diced green onions. Add a little extra zing to our wraps. And we also need to mix up some sauce for drizzling over top of our wraps. So for our sauce, we're going to be using some hoisin sauce. I've got about 3 tablespoons. I just want to thin it out a little bit with some water, probably about 1 to 2 teaspoons, a little sesame oil, maybe a teaspoon, and we're gonna stir that up and thin it out so that it makes it a nice drizzling consistency. A little bit more water, I think. And making a bit of a mess there. That looks pretty good for drizzling onto our wraps. So let's go ahead and assemble some lettuce wraps. I have a wooden board here that I'm going to be putting them on. It is made by one of our local artisans here in the area, and it makes a great serving platter for these. They're really simple here. You just take a nice leaf of this wonderful, delicious lettuce, and you're going to stuff it with a nice, generous amount of your stuffing. Just like that. Delicious. A little sauce on top. A little garnish with a couple of carrots. Some little bit of scallions. And put it on your board. Let's do one more. And then I think it's time to taste one of them. Got some little slices as well. Wonderful. Let's give it a try. I don't know about you, but if you've ever had P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps, these are a great copycat recipe that I have created for you to enjoy with a vegan and non-vegan option. There you have it. 5-spice delicious turkey lettuce wraps that are good for your body and delicious. If you love this recipe, show us some love by clicking that like button, subscribing to our channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe or health tip. If you want this full recipe and more inspiration for living your best and healthiest life, head over to growwithdrjonette.com. Here you will find not just this recipe, but a treasure trove of information on how to incorporate longevity-boosting habits into your daily routine. We have over there nutrition tips, lifestyle hacks, and we are there to support you on your journey to vibrant health. Remember, small changes will lead to big results. So start here with these delicious lettuce wraps, and let's grow healthier together. I will see you in the next video.